All right, we got GCAD coming up here. I'm not the biggest fan of GCAD, to be honest, straight up. I don't trade it a whole lot, but it's coming into a swing zone that I've had marked off for a while now, couple of months. And so I want to respect that. It's in a nice zone as well, not just, a nice fib level. So those are lining up really nicely. I do think we'll see a reaction there. I want to go down to the lower time frames to find that confirmation that I like to see. The whole way up this move here, the momentum has not quite been there. So that's one thing to note. I would say the trend is still way too bullish to look just for the price to reverse it. So that's when you got to look for the trend to start to reverse instead of just price hitting it and reversing. So let's go to the 1 hour. And what I'm going to wait for, we do start to see this divergence here. What I'm going to wait for is at bare minimum, this zone here to break. I need some type of structure to show me that this big trend that we're on is going to break. Some type of structure, because it has not broken structure for a long time. And so every time, it would come down, just make a new high, come down, new high, come down a little. Oh, try to break structure. It didn't though come up. So it hasn't broke that structure yet. We're waiting on the structure to snap. Once the structure snaps, we know we're in an area, a swing area where it very well could snap hard. So it's something to look for, something to keep your eyes out on for this week at least. And if it does create this pattern here where we have the move up and we have 1, 2, and if it creates this third wave here up into the 78.6, well, that's my favorite pattern. And I will definitely be having some type of a order in right here to try to catch this move to the downside. And if it doesn't create that pattern, then I'll just wait for it to get there, make the move down, and then this will be the move that I'm looking for. So it's still very bullish. It's not necessarily trying to catch the top, but it's coming into a swing zone. So it's a good opportunity coming up.